Hi everyone. So today we will be discussing about phylum Arthropoda classification. As we have already discussed about phylum Arthropoda and we have discussed certain basic important characteristic features also. So I have told you about Arthropoda that Arthropoda is the largest phylum with about 9 lakh species. They may be aquatic, they may be terrestrial or even parasitic. These organisms have jointed appendages and a chitinous exoskeleton also present. This phylum actually includes five classes which we are going to discuss today, and it also contains the class Insecta, which itself represents a major portion of the animal species in the world. They possess the ability to survive in every habitat. Now let's discuss the class, you can say classification, or let's see what are the different classes of phylum Arthropoda. So the first class of phylum Arthropoda is class Crustacea. Well, let me tell you about how we have classified this phylum Arthropoda. So on the base of body divisions and the presence or absence of certain appendages, we have you can say classified this phylum Arthropoda, and we have classified it into five classes. And the first class is class Crustacea. So the crustacea have body which is divisible into cephalothorax and abdomen. Cephalothorax means they are having head and thorax that is fused. We can say if they are that's fused together. Dorsally, the cephalothorax is covered by a thick exoskeleton carapace, and there are present two pairs of antenna and a pair of stalk compound eyes also. Example of class crustacea is palamon, that's also known as prawn, Astacus, that's also known as crayfish. They are also having Palinurus, Cancer, that's also known as crab. Lucifer is there also, and many other examples are there. Daphne is also there. Now let's see the second class. Second class is class Chilopoda. Well, Chilopoda body is divisible into head and trunk. Okay, and each trunk segment bears a pair of legs. The first pair of legs are modified into poison claws in them. There is a single pair of antenna also present in them. Example is Scolopendra, or that's also known as centipede. Now, what about the third class? Third class is Diplopoda. Body of Diplopoda is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. There is a single pair of antenna also present. Except few thorax segments, each segment of their body bears a pair of legs. However, each segment, body abdominal segment, has two pairs of legs. Now, example of this phylum Diplopoda is Julius or millipede. Now the third class is class Insecta. Class Insecta is also known as Hexapoda. Their body is divisible into head, thorax, and abdomen. There is a pair of antenna and a pair of compound eyes also present. Thorax consists of three segments with three pairs of legs and usually two pairs of wings in them. Example of insect are silverfish, we have cockroach, we have bedbug, we have locusts, termites, butterflies, rat fleas, beetles, wasp, aphid, silk moth, and so many other examples are there. Now the fifth class is class Arachnida. The body of Arachnida is usually divisible into cephalothorax and abdomen. Cephalothorax bears simple eyes and they have six pairs of appendages also present. Antennae are absent in them. Respiratory organs are book, lungs, or trachea are both present in them. Examples of Arachnida are scorpion, spider, tick, and mites. Well, this was about classification of phylum Arthropoda. Hope you have liked the video. Thank you very much, everyone.